disappear! We're gonna do a visible ink. So you need Q-tips, baking soda, water.
Perfect. Okay, so we need about half a cup of water. So can you fill up our measuring cup to about a half a cup?
How much is half a cup? All of it?
Just a cup. I'll tell you when to stop. Perfect. Very good. You need about a teaspoon of baking soda.
Teaspoon. What is a teaspoon?
So you can take, we pre-measured it, so you can dump that all into our water.
Obviously, you could take a shower if it would be invisible.
Maybe. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, is it all mixed up?
Perfect. Spoon's not invisible. I got a Q-tip right here. And we're gonna do something with it, but I don't know yet.
Okay, so we were gonna write a secret message on our paper. So we take our Q-tip.
Yes.
And we dip our Q-tip into our magic solution, which is our baking soda and our water. Yeah, and now you can write on your paper. Write whatever you want to write. Do you see it?
Yep. I can see some of it.
So right now we see it, but let's both make a drawing, and then what you have to do is you keep drawing with it. And then we let it sit about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we go on to part 2 to make the ink reappear. So have fun with your drawing. Are you gonna make a Halloween drawing, or what kind of drawing are you gonna make?
Oh my god, look at this. Now we're gonna do the next one. Now you need alcohol and turmeric.
Yeah, rubbing alcohol and turmeric.
You need rubbing alcohol and turmeric.
And what's in your hand?
A paintbrush.
Perfect. So this is the invisible ink, right?
Yep.
So you take your beaker here.
Yep.
Okay, so pour some rubbing alcohol into it, about half a cup. I'll tell you when to stop.
Can you help me get the lid off?
Yep. We'll probably do less than half a cup though, just because you and I didn't make a lot. So be very careful with this. Sometimes you might need your parents to help, so I will do this.
Yes. Sometimes you need your parents to help.
So put a little bit of rubbing alcohol in, and then take some turmeric.
Yep.
So you take the cap off, and turmeric you have to be careful with because it stains your hands and your clothes.
You do it.
You can do it, it's okay. You shake some in. Yeah, keep shaking. Yeah, keep shaking. Perfect, that's great. You put the cap back on the turmeric, that's great. Okay, and then take your paintbrush and mix it around.
This? It almost looks like orange.
It does. So, what do you think? So if we think we paint our old pictures with that, what's going to happen?
I have no idea.
Okay, so this is our picture.
Mm-hmm.
You can kind of see what we drew on there, sort of. But let's see how it works out. So we take our invisible ink. We have to be careful. We put some tinfoil behind it, just in case the turmeric leaks. And we just paint the whole paper. It doesn't matter where you paint it. Paint anywhere you want. So the turmeric is painted in yellow or orange. Baking soda, remember, in our water, which was our ink, which is a base, right? And then reacts to this acid solution that we created, and we put the turmeric in here because the turmeric has the coloring to show where we
Oh my god, look
filled
at the face! Squishy goo! We're gonna do the next experiment. Go with fluffy slime.
And this is your favorite experiment, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what do we need?
Food coloring.
Yeah, optional if you want to use it or not. Yeah.
Yep, you can use it or not.
Mm-hmm.
Shaving cream.
Mm-hmm.
Glue.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Solution in a bowl.
Yeah, so we use contact solution. Okay, so we take our glue and we dump it into our bowl as much as we want.
We can make it super sticky.
Yeah.
You have to make it sticky.
So normally it's 1 cup of glue to 3 cups of shaving cream. And then it's roughly around 5 tablespoons, give or take, of contact solution and a couple food coloring drops. But normally we just kind of eyeball it. So you probably want to take the cap off on top of the glue again. Yeah. And just squeeze it in.
All of it?
Yeah. So we have to remember that when we measure stuff.
You want to do all of it?
Yeah. Or as much as you want for slime.
Doesn't make it super sticky.
Very sticky. Well, right now it would be super sticky. Yep. So let all the glue drip out.
Okay, it's...
So then tip the bottle. Oops, okay, that works too. Yep. Okay, so we have, so that means now, you see how much we put in there? Okay.
God, that's a lot.
Perfect. Okay, so next, do you want to wash your hands first and come back?
No, I think that's fine.
Okay, so the next thing we do is we add shaving cream. So we want to put, for every cup of glue, we want to put 3 cups of shaving cream.
All of it?
No, I'll tell you when to stop. So squirt a little bit in. Good, keep going. Yeah, keep going.
Whoa, that's more than I could do.
Mm-hmm. There you go. There it's coming out. Good job. Well done.
That's
Great.
a lot.
Perfect. It stops there. Yep.
That's a lot.
Looks good. Okay. So now, did you want to put food coloring in today or no food coloring?
I think I'm gonna do sound food.
Okay.
But not. Are you gonna do it right now?
Yep. Put it in.
I got some shaving cream.
All right. So we're back from washing our hands, and we are doing what?
Paint. Food coloring.
Oh, that's good. That's perfect.
That's enough.
That's a lot. Yep. Now we have our spoon. Spoon next. So you want to mix your. What do we put in here?
I mix it?
Yep. You put your shaving cream.
When do we put this in?
Once we mix the 2 things together as well as the
Oh my
coloring.
god, look at this.
Ooh, very ghostly.
I think we should do it green. I think we should do it orange.
Yeah, orange
It's like
would be
a
cool.
lollipop.
Yeah,
Look
like
at
a
it.
lollipop.
Like a red. Ooh, spooky ghost. Can you put this in?
Not yet. Mix it all up.
Okay.
So remember how we did an experiment with the plastic bag and the pencils?
Done.
Okay, we gotta mix all the food coloring in, mix it all up, so it's all one whole pink thing. So do you remember when we did the plastic bag experiment, when we poked pencils to the plastic bag? And I said, remember why I said the plastic bag didn't leak water everywhere? Because those polymers sealed to the
Can I
pencil.
put
A
it in?
little bit of contact solution in. A little bit more. So about 5 tablespoons to your contact solution, to 3 parts shaving cream, to 1 part of glue. All right, take a stir.
This is gonna be great. It's gonna be great slime.
So do you notice anything's happening?
Nope.
Okay, it's coming a little bit more gooier, right?
Is it almost done?
Keep going.
God, it's gooey now.
So it's getting harder and harder to mix, right? We want the slime to stick together, and it's gonna be a no mess slime.
Can you do it now?
Yeah. So add some more.
Look at my finger.
That's the food coloring.
You do it.
Can you add some more food coloring in?
This.
Oh, not food coloring. Sorry. Can you add some more contact solution in? Perfect. Good. Now mix it up. There you go. Recommend for everybody.
Here, take this.
Well, I'm gonna put this in here for now. Is we're gonna take some tin foil just because we want to kind of knead it with our hands a bit. So you take out the spoon.
Oh,
right.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Take
And take it all out. So you can dump it out of the bottle, out of the bowl if you like. Yeah, just dump it all into the plate, honey. Or onto the...
Okay, how do I dump it off? It's too sticky.
It's very sticky, exactly.
Take it off.
So it'll become less sticky once you knead it a bit together. So can you pull it out of the bowl?
Oh my god, my hand is totally sticky. I can't get everything out. Oh my god, do you want to play with slime?
Mm-hmm. Okay, pull it all out.
Oh my god. Holy cow. Is that all of it?
Yeah, you got most of it.
Is that
Alright.
all of it?
Yep. So now what you do is you kind of just squish it together, and as you play with it, it should become less sticky.
Little sticky. I wish there was not these sticky. I wish it was not that sticky. Oh my god, look at my hands.
Mm-hmm.
Last time we made this with no the food coloring, but we had contact solution and shaving cream with glue, and we mixed it together. When I used to do this, this time we did food coloring. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is so sticky. Whoa! And hope you enjoy our video and bye.
Bye, everybody. But I think you can also say to them before you let them go is that you can put more contact solution and it will become less sticky.
Yes, but so sticky. You want more contact solution.
You like it?
Yeah, it's so sticky too. Ugh, gross. How do I get my hands off of this? Hope you enjoy our video. Zombie brains. We're doing zombie brains. My mom filled 2 cups of vinegar. And you have to take the egg and drop it in for tomorrow. We're gonna do it now.
Go ahead. Just gentle. Oh, very good. Okay, and how long have you let them sit for? For 24 hours.
24 hours.
So 1 full day.
So 1 full day. We put the eggs in yesterday and the shells are gonna start coming on.
So it was a raw egg from the fridge that we put in into pure vinegar. Keep going.
Can I take it out with my finger?
Just dump it right out. It's okay. You can just dump it right out.
It smells so bad.
Oh, okay. Do the other one too.
molasses, corn syrup, and water.
Yeah, so you use molasses or corn syrup.
Molasses or corn syrup.
So you're going to take the water.
Take the water and the eggs.
And the eggs, what do the eggs look like? Can you touch them for me?
Oh.
They feel like squishy eggs, don't they?
Yeah.
Cool, so the shells are all gone.
Mm-hmm.
That's really neat. Okay, so now take some water and pour it into one of the glasses. That's perfect, very good. Okay, and since we don't have corn syrup, we're going to use some molasses. So can you put some molasses into the other cup for me?
This one?
Into the other cup.
This one?
Yep.
Can you open the lid for me?
Sure.
Sometimes your parents need to open the lid.
It smells gross.
Mm-hmm.
So they make ginger snaps out of the cookies. You take the molasses and pour a little bit of the molasses into the other cup.
Not much?
Yeah, keep going. Perfect.
So it's sticky, gooey, gross. Now we're gonna take the eggs and put it into the water and this glass.
Into the molasses, yeah, or the
Into
corn
the
syrup.
glasses.
So the eggs, which we're calling our zombie brains.
Zombie brain we're gonna do.
So what do you think is gonna happen if we take an egg and put it into the water?
It's gonna explode.
You think so? What do you think about the sugar?
Don't know.
Okay, let's try.
Squishy and gooey. Which one? Put it in one.
Sure, any one you want. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spin this egg a little bit. Can you spin this egg a little bit so it's totally covered in molasses?
Oh gosh, what's good?
Yeah, I can do it for you.
Oh my god, it's so sticky.
It's super sticky. Okay, so now the trick is we have to let this one sit for a bit longer, okay?
Okay.
So normally you should let it sit for about 6 to 12 hours, sometimes a day. It all depends. We didn't put much molasses in this cup, but we'll let it sit. So what are you guessing is gonna happen again?
It's not gonna explode.
Which one's gonna explode? Both of them? Okay.
Hi everybody, welcome back to the experiment video from yesterday. The eggs had to set a little bit longer, so we're gonna do it now. Welcome back to the zombie brain eggs.
Yep. Okay, so we put one into molasses, which is full of sugar, and one into just water. So what happened to the one, and which one are you gonna take out first?
That one.
Sure, take it out. Ooh, so what happened to it? So it shriveled, hey? Cool.
And put the molasses in there?
Yeah, the molasses. Oh, you don't have to dump the molasses. No, that's okay. Okay, and then the other one, which is water, what happened to that one? Whoa, it's like a jumbo egg.
That's not big at all. This is a new size of egg.
No way, that's huge.
That's not. You're joking.
So what happened?
It got the enormous size.